Introducing the 2024 Ford Focus ST Line Estate in stunning blue. This 1.0 litre petrol with manual transmission is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, ABS, parking assistance, and more. The interior boasts a luxury trim, and security features include lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer spec, and a comprehensive warranty, this vehicle is a steal. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more details on this incredible Ford Focus ST line.